One of the questions that we often get from CIOs and IT directors, anyone that's responsible for managing a group or a portfolio of projects, one of the questions that we often get is, how do I deliver projects more successfully, more consistently? How do I ensure a higher level of quality, that we're doing the same things? A lot of the concerns that we hear from CIOs. So I want to share with you some of the tools that we use in-house here at DARBY Consulting that might inspire you in developing your own PMO organization, your own standard playbook for how do you implement projects. So we start with, anytime we have a consultant that logs in to DARBY Consulting, they get access to their email, their time entry, some of the basic tools. So you kind of want to make sure whatever you put out there that you tie it with stuff that people already use, so they already have that top of mind. Any kind of shared files. We have a lot of our consulting onboarding so that we get folks onboarded really quickly and how we do what we do. And you'll notice out here to the right is our methodology. Try to make it kind of fun that they want to click on it. So what we've done is we've developed a kind of our standard playbook for how do we go about planning and implementing IT projects. There's a couple of things that I would recommend if you're thinking about doing it. One is, don't overdo it, don't over-engineer it. That's really important. So you may want to have kind of like your IT project management playbook of your key phases, phase 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then some basic standard things that you need, kind of a light version. Start with that first. That way project managers, project teams can start implementing that well, and then build from that to more of an expanded. You can see here we have our basic life cycle of initiate, plan, execute, and close. That's kind of quite simple. And then we kind of expanded it into more of a broader plan that has a lot of more detail. The other thing I would recommend doing as well is providing an at-a-glance view. So you can see all of our phases of a typical project. You can see the templates that we provide and examples, as well as any kind of workshops. Make it easy for your project teams to be able to quickly get access to what they need. Generate videos. That's one of the great things about using online tools, is you can generate videos on a variety of different topics, and where they can quickly click on the video, watch it for 10-15 minutes, get up to speed on how to use a certain tool or a certain template. Usually what happens is you'll get a great team member that has a lot of experience. They can pick up a new template like a project charter, a communications plan, a training plan, and they can take their knowledge and experience, combining that with a standard template or tool to really customize that to the need of that project, to really accelerate the time and improve the quality. That way they're not spending all their time trying to reinvent the wheel, find new tools and templates. They're all able to leverage and get their work done more quickly, and it allows you to have more consistency in standardization of execution, higher quality projects across the board when you implement a cloud-based methodology that everyone can have access to. Hope you find this video helpful. Look for other videos from us on a variety of topics related to planning and implementing projects.